If your iPhone is stuck displaying repeated notifications about the Home app sending critical alerts, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This problem can sometimes prevent users from fully accessing their devices. To address this, you'll first need to restart your iPhone and then disable critical alerts from the Home app. To restart your iPhone without using the touchscreen, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Release the power button once the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears as your device restarts. After the iPhone reboots, unlock it and navigate to the Settings app. Once in Settings, select Notifications. Scroll down to find the Home app under the Notification Style section. Tap on it and locate the Critical Alerts option. Toggle this feature off to stop receiving critical alerts from the Home app. By following these steps, you'll prevent further disruptions caused by these alerts.